Now we're gonna see how hard it is to take this out. Oh yeah, she's a little hard. It's definitely a 19 though. Oh, came out pretty easily actually. That's sick. Right here I'm gonna try epoxy it, try to make it look a bit better. Maybe make it sit overnight. I don't know. You wanna go ahead and clean this up a bit. We'll hook up to the screw right here, to the stock mounting hole. And then just go behind here, hooks up to the screw, hits the copper plate behind here. So basically the paper clip hooks onto the screw. It hits the copper plate, and when I press the horn, it's grounded to the stock round on the hub. And then when it hits the horn, or it hits the copper plate, it's gonna hit this horn wire that engages electricity to actuate the horn and actually just travel all the power together, put the positive and the negative, the positive and the ground, and then makes the horn beep. So this is the situation with the paper clip, got it all connected up right there. When I put the hub on, it should touch this copper. And it touches the copper. It should be done soon tonight. It's just the horn situation is what been holding me back. I was testing like the light, spotlight and shit. Like, see, it's finally working now. And you know, I was just doing all that stuff to make sure everything works, because I want a properly working horn at least. The stock horn, I don't even know. I'm not gonna mess with it, so that's why I got the train horns, or the trumpets, or whatever you call them. Air horns. Yeah, air horns. I got the air horns because the original horn didn't work, and I mean, might as well do something different if you gotta upgraded it. I just put some epoxy on a little the steering column cover, because I did crack it. It was already cracked a little bit, and I just messed it up even more as I own the truck, and right now I just cracked this piece right here. You guys see that? It's really brittle, so I warn you guys, if you're doing this, watch out. So next thing you want to do is just tighten up your hub. Make sure it's snug. You don't want to do muffle bob buff pants on this shit, because like when I was trying to take mine out, it was really hard. Alright guys, so done me. I tried putting the steering wheel back on, and well, it is a short hub, so just take a look at where that nut's at. So you see how it's close to the face of the hub where it, the actual wheel hooks onto? Well, that's a big problem for me if I want to run the horn, because the horn, as you can guys see, is pretty thick. Alright guys, so this is an update how stuff is going. I ended up kind of using the horn. Like I said, I didn't want to use spacers, and I just decided not to use spacer. I'm gonna go back to the old horn setup. I'm gonna get a quick release like I always wanted to, but I'm gonna save up for that, so not much in a big rush for it. But connecting the old horn button back on, leaving the bracket here, leaving the bracket there, so when I get the quick release and everything all again, I can set it up all nice. So yeah, gonna go ahead and put everything back on, and then you guys will see the steering wheel for sure now. So the truck's idling pretty high, but don't mind that, I just need to turn it down. Anyways, I got the steering wheel on. It looks pretty sick. And you guys can get a better look at it. I got the steering wheel on, I'm testing it out. Fits pretty good without the horn actually mounted, as you can see, but I press this, works flawlessly. So still got the air horns hooked up, just the same old location on top right there. and I'm gonna get a quick release, and then the horn will work for sure with the horn button itself. I'm just out here. It's really late at night. Just got finished. Took pretty much all day. So thanks guys for watching again. That's how to put a steering wheel on. Not so correctly, but I hope you guys get the main idea. It's really easy, honestly. Just with me, I want to get stuff done correctly. I mean, you don't have to hook up the horn or anything, but I just want to do that and end up wasting a lot of time. So thanks for watching. It's really easy. Hope you guys learned something. I learned some stuff also, so if you got any questions, comment below. Just let me know. Alright? Thanks guys. Peace out.
Hold on!